So, what drives a person to commit such a terrible crime as rape?
So we will have to, first understand the overview of the male psyche, and then psyche of a mentally sick person who's the person who is committing such an act, and then we will come to what drives it.
Makes sense.
Hi everyone, my name is Nikhila.
And my name is Rajveer, and welcome to the Zenji podcast.
So there is something called DSM-5 में there are DSM-5 is the Bible of mental health disorders. Okay, it's published by APA, American Psychological Association, and most of the countries who have like a structured mental health curriculum and licensed therapy, they all hold DSM-5 as their ground or as their Bible while practicing mental health profession, or talking about mental health disorders as well. So DSM-5 में there is something called a cluster B, personality disorders. It's for personality disorders. 4 major personality disorders. One is narcissistic personality disorder, borderline personality disorder, histrionics personality disorder, and the last one is antisocial personality disorder. Okay. There is also something called paraphilia. So paraphilia में क्या होता है, that person, paraphilia का एक सब division है perversion or perverted mentality. This means that the person who is suffering from any paraphilic disorder is obsessed with that sexual thought so much that they lose control. Like, if you talk about fetishism, or you talk about compulsive, watching of porn, then it all comes under paraphilia. Paraphilia में perversion is the subdivision. Some people have hair fetish, foot fetish है. There are a lot of fetishes. अब जब तक you are doing it in your own space, which is legal, which is ethical, which is moral, and you are not hurting the sentiments of any human being, or you are not violating anybody's privacy, it is okay. Consenting partners में जो भी होता है, that is still okay. But if you are storing something like child porn, or you are storing images of women who are not consenting to any such thing, or you are uploading them, so that is all of that constitutes in paraphilia, where the obsession or the compulsion is so hard that you know this is wrong, but you don't want to stop, you still want to go ahead and do it. Okay, now this explains why a guy would go ahead and do it. But rape is actually divided into 2 parts when we study the mentality of the rapist. One is the actual act of having sex, okay, non-consensual sex, and the other is the brutality that follows.
The violence.
The violence, the aggression, the cutting, the bleeding, all of the psychopathy that follows with it. Now, that is another part of it. Now, that is where antisocial personality disorder kicks in. So, it's a whole package then. You become, that person is a psychopath now. Okay, because he's suffering from this compulsive, syndrome, compulsive disorder as well as antisocial personality disorder. इसमें क्या होता है, antisocial personality disorder का न्यूरोबायोलॉजी हमें ये बताता है that जो patient का प्री फ्रंटल या फ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स है वो खराब हो जाता है, ऑर्बिटोफ्रंटल, मतलब दिस पार्ट and this part, okay, amygdala, it's responsible for emotions like empathy, compassion, guilt, gratitude. तो उसका ना एक क्या बोलते थे ना, deficits या malfunction. The layman word, the easy way to explain it would be, it's a malfunction of some wires inside your brain and some parts and tubes of your brain. ओके तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, ये जो पेशेंट्स रहते हैं एंटी सोशल पर्सनैलिटी डिसऑर्डर के, इनमें एम्पैथी होता ही नहीं है. एक होता है कि मेरा कंपल्शन था, सो वॉट एवर आई वॉन्टेड आई गॉट आउट ऑफ इट, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू लीव दिस पर्सन. और एक होता है कि देर इज लैक ऑफ एम्पैथी, सो नाउ द ब्रूटैलिटी इज किकिंग इन एंड आई वॉन्ट टू डिस्ट्रॉय this thing completely. You know, that person will objectify. The rapist always objectifies. For them, the person that they are committing this crime on is just an object. They cannot, for you to acknowledge the other human being, empathy is a must. Okay. Only empathy acknowledges or compassion will make you have feelings for someone. Only empathy or compassion will, trigger that kind of guilt that, oh my god, what am I doing? But if I'm throwing this phone, okay, hard on the wall, I will not feel bad for the phone. Probably I'll feel bad that, okay, it carried some emotional value towards the person who gifted this phone to me, so they will feel bad. But if I'm just, buying it, okay, from the store, my money, my rules, and I'm smashing it against the wall, I will not feel bad at all. This is exactly how they treat the victim. So that in whole construes the rape mentality.
Okay.
Did I answer your question?
But so they don't feel guilt or anything at all, empathy?
No. So have you watched the Ted Bundy tapes?